Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display WooCommerce product in grid or carousel or slider layout in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WordPress dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write JetWidgets for Elementor and WooCommerce. So this is plugin we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation go to page and refresh the page. So we are in Elementor page now, and then you see search widget. So right here Woo product, and then you see Woo product grid. So drag and drop here. So you can add this widget in any home page or any page according to your requirement. And then you see widget is added. On left side you see content style advanced. In content you see general, and then you see product preset 1. So you can set preset according to your requirement. Now you see, now select preset 4. Again you see, now we set preset 2. Now you see add to cart button, and then you see column, 3 column layout, 4 column layout, so it's up to you. And then you see icon column height, enable this option. And then you see product number 4, so make it 4 because we have column 4. Now you see, and then you see query product by all, you see multiple option, and then you see order by date, price, random sale, and then you see show product title, enable title word count 10, now make it 1, and then you see one word, so you can set according to your requirement. And then you see feature image size, show badge, enable, set sale badge text sale, and then you see multiple options, show product words count, product category, so you can enable or disable option according to your requirement. And then you see carousel, so click on it, enable, and then you see slide to scroll 1, show arrow navigation, arrow icon, pause on hour, autoplay, auto speed, infinite loop, so you can do setting according to your requirement. So we enable carousel. Now click on general, and then you see product number, now make it 7 because we have column 4, and then you see arrow. Now go to carousel, so click on it. Now you see slider working, and then you see arrow icon, so you can set according to your requirement. Enable this option if you want. Show dot navigation, now you see, and then scroll up, you see style, so click on it. You see product item, background color, product thumbnail, title, button, price, rating, category, tags. Now click on button. Now you see button color scheme, so you can add some padding if you want, now 10. Now you see padding on button, we added padding 10, and then you see color, now change in red. Now you see, and if you want you can change hover color scheme, black. Now you see, so you can do setting and set styling for this widget according to your requirement. You see all, price, rating, tags, badge, overlay, carousel, arrow, so you can do setting according to your requirement, and then click on update. Now update done, go to Elementor page and refresh the page. Now scroll down, so this is our widget, WooCommerce product in grid or carousel or slider format. So you can set color scheme for title, rating, price according to your requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.